All right, guys, the following clip is my dad had bought some tools in a toolbox at an auction. He picked out the tools that he wanted and left some of the older tools in the box. I said, what are you going to do with them? He said, you want them? I said, no. He said, I know what we'll do with them. So the following clip is my dad putting the toolbox on the side of the road. And we put a GoPro on the telephone box adjacent to it, and we recorded to see how long it would take before somebody would see it, stop and pick it up. If you guys can put a comment below and tell me how long you think it took, minutes and seconds, the closest one wins, and I'll send you a t-shirt and a couple of Redneck Manufacturing decals. Closest one to guess how long it took before somebody picked this box up. It's a box full of old tools, kind of a prank, kind of a good thing. Whoever got this, I'm sure they'll be able to use those pliers and that hammer. So enjoy the clip.